Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off suggested accounts on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, we will be needing to access to our Instagram account by going to the app, and after that, we will be needing to go to our profile. So let's just save as a draft or start over, and I'm going to click on X here, and here we want to go to our profile. After that, we will be needing to go to our edit profile, and from there, we will be able to start changing or removing the suggestions on profile. So here I'm just going to click on edit profile, and there you will find this show threads badge. I'm just going to turn it off. Here you will find profile information, action buttons, etc. Now all we want to do is to simply toggle off next to show account suggestions on profile. And And from here, it depends on which type you are using. I mean, the version of Instagram. Either you are using Instagram on the web or you are using the mobile browser. But anyway, you will find a toggle off or you will find like a button like this that says show account suggestions on profile. And you will need just to turn it off. And it will be located somewhere here, like on your profile. As I said, depends on the version of Instagram that you are using. And after that, you will be needing just to turn it off, and you will have your profile suggestions that will be removed. And by that, you will have your problem that has been solved. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time.